2025 is coming. There's only 1.5 months left. And I need to ask you, are you still relying on just your 9 to 5? I hope not, because the financial world is changing. Side hustles are no longer optional, they're essential. If you're not supplementing your income with a side hustle, you're missing out on potentially thousands of dollars each month. And here's the scary part. If you don't take action, the financial gap between you and the people who are hustling will keep growing. But don't worry. Today, we're unlocking the best side hustles that can boost your income in 2025. And trust me, these could completely change your financial future. Some of them are simple, some are risky, but all of them have serious potential. And stick around until the end, because there's one side hustle that's going to blow your mind. You'll want to know about it before it's too late. Let's jump in. Now, let's get real for a second. How many of you have felt the weight of living paycheck to paycheck? You don't even have to be bad with money. Inflation, rising rent, student loan debt, and the cost of living in general make it harder for anyone to get ahead. It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth you need to hear. You don't have to live like this. There are real opportunities for you to make more money, no matter where you're starting from. And the best part, you don't need to quit your job to do it. These side hustles can fit into your life, and they don't require a ton of time. So, let's break down the top side hustles for 2025 that are not only trending but are also legitimately profitable. And yes, we'll start with something that's simple yet highly effective. First, freelance digital marketing. Let's start with freelance digital marketing. You may have heard the buzzword before, but here's why this is the perfect time to dive in. Businesses everywhere are increasing their marketing budgets, especially for social media ads, SEO, and email marketing. If you've got any sort of marketing skills, or if you're willing to learn, this could be a game changer. You don't need a marketing degree to start. You don't even need experience. There are free resources everywhere: YouTube, Udemy, blogs, and communities where you can learn the ropes. Whether you specialize in running Facebook ads, SEO content creation, or email funnels, there's a massive demand for marketers right now. The pay? Freelancers can charge anywhere from $25 to $100 plus per hour, depending on your experience and results. Imagine landing just 2 clients at $1,000 per month. You're already looking at an extra $2,000 a month, all while working remotely and on your own schedule. But here's the kicker. You have to be results-driven. If you're not getting your clients real results, they're going to drop you fast. So invest the time to get better and learn what works, and the rewards can be significant. Now, let's talk about something that's growing incredibly fast. Second, virtual assistant services. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant, VA. This one might surprise you, but it's one of the most flexible and in-demand side hustles in 2025. As more entrepreneurs and small businesses shift to remote work, they need help with administrative tasks, like managing emails, organizing schedules, and handling customer service inquiries. As a VA, you could be doing anything from managing social media accounts to handling customer support tickets. The great part about being a VA is that you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. You just need organizational skills. In fact, 99% of VAs are self-taught. If you're organized, reliable, and detail-oriented, you've got a skill set people are willing to pay for. How much can you make? VAs generally charge anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on experience and the complexity of the tasks. Some specialized VAs, like those who help with social media management or bookkeeping, can charge even more. Imagine just working 10 hours a week. That's an extra $500 to $1,000 per month, right in your pocket. Here's the catch, though. You have to be reliable. If you're not dependable, you won't last long. So, if you want long-term clients, make sure you're offering exceptional service. Third, dropshipping business. Now, let's talk about dropshipping, a side hustle that has made millions for people around the world. You may be skeptical, but hear me out. Dropshipping allows you to run an e-commerce business without ever having to deal with inventory or shipping. You find a supplier, list their products on your website, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. What's so great about dropshipping? No upfront costs, you don't need to buy products in bulk, but it comes with its challenges too. The key to success is finding the right products and targeting the right audience. Some entrepreneurs have turned dropshipping into a full-fledged business, generating $10,000, $20,000, or even more per month in revenue. The downside? It's not an instant success. You're going to need a lot of trial and error to find the right product and optimize your store. But if you can get it right, The financial rewards can be massive. Fourth, selling digital products and online courses. Selling digital products and online courses. If you have a skill, whether it's photography, writing, cooking, or fitness, you can turn that knowledge into cash by creating and selling digital products. We're talking ebooks, printable planners, photo presets, and online courses. These are products that can generate passive income, meaning once they're created, they'll continue to sell without you having to do much work. The beauty of this side hustle? The scalability. You only need to make the product once, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times. The startup costs are minimal, especially if you're creating digital content like videos, guides, or templates. But success here isn't guaranteed. You need to provide real value. If your product isn't helpful or unique, people won't buy it. So, take the time to create quality content that delivers results. Fifth, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, blogging. Content creation is a huge, booming side hustle that could easily turn into a full-time job. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogs, you can start generating income from your passion. Whether you're into cooking, travel, personal finance, or just making people laugh, there's an audience for everything. The best part about content creation? Monetization options are endless. You can make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. In fact, YouTube and TikTok are making millionaires every single year, and 2025 is shaping up to be even bigger. But here's the truth. It takes time. Content creation requires consistency, and it's tough to break through the noise. However, if you can consistently provide value and engage with your audience, you'll see the rewards come in. There you have it. Some of the best side hustles to help you boost your income in 2025. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Each of these opportunities requires commitment, learning, and action. But the rewards are worth it. Whether it's a few extra $100 each month or building a full-time business, if you're ready to take your side hustle game to the next level, don't stop here. Click the link on the end screen to watch my next video on the biggest waste of money nobody talks about. You'll be shocked by what you're spending money on without even realizing it. You need to see this. Before you go, make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and family. Everyone can use an extra income stream. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more tips on making smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.